This is our Royal Octagonal Multi-Activity Gym Station MGS02. The product area is 7 feet height, 16 feet length, 14 feet width and 17 feet diameter. The safe play area is 8 feet height, 22 feet length, 20 feet width and 23 feet diameter. The key benefit for our product MGS02 is healthy heart, relaxed body, increase insulin level, improve immunity, weight loss, improve body posture, happy feeling, increase stamina, suitable for everyone and low cost. Body beneficial parts are front thighs, quads, back thighs, hamstrings, glutes and calves. Chest, triceps, front thighs, quads, back thighs, hamstrings, glutes and calves. Forearms, shoulder, front thighs, quads, back thighs, hamstrings, glutes and calves. Shoulders, forearms, biceps and back. Obliques, waist. Obliques, waist. Suitable for all age group. How to use?